Obulu ni na ibido ogbugbo okwu gị. Obulu ni na n'ilu akwụkwọ anụ ị ga na-afụ ebe a na-ajụ who called you? Who called you? That's right. That is what you need. That is the first important thing. Who called you? Can you answer? Agumalum, who called you? I was called. Who called you? Who called you? If you don't know who called you, you can be in office for 10 years without evidence, without results. If you don't know who called you, you will exit a tradition for another spiritual orientation or relationship or church or Muslim or whatever. The first and most important thing to know is who called you. I was called by Ingeneze. After understanding who called you, you will find out why. Why did you call me? I mean, I was on my own. I was a fisherman like Peter. Jesus. So now you can ask Ingeneze, why are you calling me? What do you want me to do for you? If you don't know who called you and why you were called, you will work in office for 10 years or 20 years and still be like someone who is not in office. It only gets worse for you and you would flee. Why were you called? You need to be co-worker with your collar. Because you are the one getting used here. Do you understand? Whoever it is that called you, have called you to use you. So don't make it look like the more that called you is doing you a favor. No, they are not doing you a favor. They are using you to do what they cannot come and do. Do you understand? So you are a vessel, a portal. For example, you are a boss, a transporter. A bus that they are riding, you understand, for accomplishments of collecting passengers. So why did you call me is something that you should focus on. Who called you? Who called you? What is your name? The person that called you, the more that called you, has a name, and you must know his name. He has a personal name. He has a name. He likes you to call it. He is your chief spirit. Do you understand? He is your ability. He is the facilitator of things about you. He is your evidence. Do you understand? He is the one you are hoping on. Who called you? The one you are hoping on, while people are hoping on you. You have Arobunago, you have Aquado Momo, you have your water, you have your Ago, you have your Chi, you have your Ikenga, you have your Ezumezu, you have all of that, but there is one in your life that might not see it, others are nothing. Who called you? If you are still finding it difficult to answer who called you, amongst all that there is, then please do not do any Agu installation. Do you understand? Focus on feeding of your chi, that is Ajamadu Churuchia, and then making your request and going about your day-to-day life. Because who called you? Once you have secured the person that called you, that is the option that you have. That is the confidence that you have. It's just when you say you have secured God. You have secured your own God. Who called you? What is his name? What does he eat? Where does he live? What is his answer? What must you not eat? What certain day must you not eat this? What must you not do? What kind of call do you have? This is where your journey begins. Identifying that the person that called you is your sustainer and is capable, but you must know him. Please do not ever call a spirit what it is not. Do not call in Yabatavo. Don't make that mistake. They don't like it. Do not describe a spirit in a way that it is not. Do not call a spirit Okay, like okay, no, you lift a name from the spiritual. That one you are sure of, that is your sure banker. That one you are sure of. So that when you say you have called and they ask you who called you, you will not say, Ngeneze called me. And they called me to use me for so and so me. He said, I am on purpose, and this is my purpose, clearly defined, and this is who my caller is. This is my mission statement. You must have mission statement before you venture into this life saving that is hungering you. It is unfortunate that recently, when people hear they have call, they discard the procedure and just go ahead to answer the call. So when you ask them who called you, they will say normal hammer. Yes, who called you? Oh my even everything na mama. If obuni neme, gesto tarigiste nachi, o gamana tarigi. So who called you? Who called you? I want to see your face. I want to know your ways. When you are starting, you must begin to pray. Go see me awegi. Just the way you are. I want to see you. I want to live your day. Go see me awegi. Wama fagi. Wamu ife bayelugi. So I can live your day. I want to see you just the way you are. Jim, I want to see your face. It doesn't matter what it takes, even if it takes you 10 years. It is what it is. Find out whose emblem you have on your head. You understand? Find out who. It will never disappoint you. But if you don't find out who, you will fail where other DB has failed. You will crash, you will fall. You will fall on your face. You will be pitiful. Find out who. When they tell you have to say who. You can even do it in Alpha. Who. Consider this my major message for today in identifying in self-realization. My major message in self-realization. Thank you.